AI prompt engineering jobs sound like a gold rush. But the reality is more complicated. Some people are making serious money. Others are chasing empty promises. So what is actually real here? Are companies truly hiring prompt engineers? Or is this another internet hype cycle? Can beginners break in without coding skills? And will these jobs still exist next year? Stay with me, because one insight here flips the story. Most videos sell dreams without context. This one focuses on facts, not fantasies. Prompt engineering exploded after generative AI went mainstream. Suddenly, prompts sounded like a new career path. Job boards filled with impressive titles. Salaries looked shockingly high. TikTok clips promised fast income. But hiring reality tells a different story. Let's start with what prompt engineering actually means. At its core, it is structured communication with AI systems. It involves guiding models toward useful outputs. This includes text, images, code, and workflows. Early on, prompts were simple trial and error. Now they are embedded inside real business systems. That shift changed the job market. Standalone prompt writers are extremely rare. Most companies want hybrid skill sets. Prompting is a tool, not the job. Think of it like spreadsheet formulas. Knowing formulas helps, but spreadsheets are not careers alone. The same logic applies here. Companies pay for outcomes, not clever prompts. So who actually hires prompt engineering skills? Mostly tech companies, startups, and AI product teams. They hire engineers, analysts, and product managers. Prompting is bundled inside those roles. Very few listings say prompt engineer only. Those that exist usually require deep experience. Often they expect machine learning knowledge or strong software engineering backgrounds. This already filters out most beginners. Now let's talk money, because that drives interest. Yes, some roles pay six figures. Those roles existed before prompts became popular. The salary reflects senior technical expertise. Prompting is a small part of the value. It is not the main reason for pay. This is where hype misleads people. Online creators highlight edge cases. They ignore hiring patterns across industries. Most businesses do not need prompt specialists. They need people who solve problems. AI just accelerates that work. Prompt skills amplify existing professionals. They rarely replace them. Now let's examine freelancing opportunities. This is where things get interesting. Freelancers use prompt skills to deliver services. Clients care about results, not prompts. Examples include content systems and automation. Marketing workflows are common use cases. So are customer support systems. Some freelancers build AI chatbots for businesses. Others create internal knowledge assistants. Prompting is embedded in these solutions. Clients pay for speed and accuracy, not for prompt complexity. This is more realistic than job boards. Now let's discuss tools shaping this space. Many professionals use ChatGPT daily. It handles research, drafts, and ideation. Claude is popular for long documents. Perplexity helps with fast factual research. Midjourney supports image-based workflows. Runway assists with AI video creation. Notion AI supports planning and documentation. Zapier connects AI outputs to business tools. Jasper is used in marketing teams. Pictory AI helps turn scripts into videos. These tools matter more than job titles. Knowing when to use each tool is valuable. That knowledge saves businesses time and money. Now let's talk about entry paths. If you are starting from zero, focus wisely. Learn a business function first. Marketing, operations, finance, or content. Then layer AI skills on top. This creates real leverage. Prompting alone does not. A marketer with AI skills wins. An analyst with AI skills wins. A developer with AI skills wins. A prompt-only profile struggles. This is the uncomfortable truth. Now let's examine corporate adoption trends. Large companies move slower than headlines suggest. They test AI carefully. Security and compliance slow everything down. That reduces demand for niche roles. However, it increases demand for adaptable workers. People who integrate AI responsibly are valued. They help teams transition smoothly. This is where long-term opportunity lives. Prompting becomes invisible but powerful. Now let's address the fear factor. Many worry AI will replace jobs. In reality, it reshapes roles. Tasks disappear, responsibilities expand. People who guide AI gain influence. People who ignore it fall behind. This pattern is not new. We saw it with software tools. We saw it with automation. AI follows the same curve. Prompt engineering fits inside that curve. It's not a standalone destination. It is a multiplier skill. Now here is a practical path forward. Choose one industry you understand. Identify repetitive knowledge tasks. Use AI tools to improve them. Document your results clearly. This becomes your proof of value. That proof attracts clients or employers. Not certificates or buzzwords. Speaking of certificates, be cautious. Many courses overpromise outcomes. They sell hope, not hiring pipelines. Learning is fine, expectations matter. Real experience beats structured lessons. Build small systems instead. Show how they save time. That speaks louder than credentials. Now a quick note about job boards. Most prompt engineering listings are experimental. Companies test the market with them. Many listings quietly disappear. Others get merged into broader roles. Do not anchor your future on them. Focus on adaptable skills instead. This keeps you resilient. Now let's zoom out. AI adoption is still early. Standards are still forming. Workflows are still evolving. This favors builders over specialists. People who connect dots win. Prompting helps connect those dots. But it is not the dot itself. If this perspective helps, stay connected here. Tap the subscribe button in alerts. It helps you catch shifts early. Now let's talk about income reality. Most AI-related income is indirect. It improves productivity. It reduces operating costs. It enables faster delivery. That translates into higher earnings. Rarely direct prompt payments. This matters for expectations. Chasing titles can distract you. Chasing value creation pays better. Now consider the next 12 months. AI tools will keep improving. Interfaces will become simpler. Prompt complexity will decrease. This lowers barriers for everyone, which reduces demand for specialists, but increases demand for integrators. People who design workflows will thrive. People who understand context will thrive. That is where to focus now. Prompt engineering jobs will exist, but mostly as internal responsibilities, not glamorous standalone roles. Understanding this saves time and money. It helps you plan realistically. Here's the key takeaway. Prompt engineering is not fake, but the hype exaggerates its independence. Treat it as a power skill. Combine it with real-world expertise. That is how people actually win. More practical AI insights are coming. This channel drops them weekly. Subscribe now and turn notifications on. Staying ahead beats catching up later. The tools mentioned are linked in the description.